Kakai Curly. See living testimony for me I tell you about you. Your type of furniture them where you come and talk about and a muggle and a discriminate people well built, handmade, carving. You understand? Furnitures. Look on this Kakai. Look. Kakai, look there. This is a 9-drawer dresser. See it there? Look on it. That's a 9-drawer dresser. I'm going to show you the glass now. Look on it. See the glass, the Kakai? You see it? Alright, look on all that bed. See it there? That's a bed foot or a bed head. Which one? See them there? They want to look fancy Kakai. See them there? The quality in them. Let's get back to the dresser now. See the Kakai? Look on them. See it? The Kakai. Farm mica, this Kakai. Farm mica. See there? You understand? So Kakai, you tell me now, your little fancy furniture them what you have is just to upgrade to them the furniture there. You understand? A farm mica that. Who remember farm mica? We used to go up and dresser and them sitting there. It's a farm mica dresser that you know. The person move come in the yard with it and them supposed to move by mountain here. And I shame if they come out of the yard with back that. In a them age and time if you move with a farm mica furniture. You understand? After a couple of years the gum will put on the farm mica start lift up. And them the furniture they have, but the upgrade to them the furniture you are class as quality to people good mahogany carved and carved furniture in a Kakai. Can you imagine Kakai? When the person now buy this and me I buy my bed, my well uncarved mahogany or cedar or whatever, them gonna tell me say a better furniture because it look fancy. And no fanciness we are talking about, we are talking about quality. Farm mica furniture this. You see it? That's why it look fancy and look. And you just say, wow, I have a white furniture. My dresser is white. Them the old time color gonna have it on the house. The same time when she buy this, whoever buy the handmade carved furniture. Me can bet you right now it still stand up and live. And see this have to put out. Shame for go out the road with this in a removal truck. Them type of furniture you have a muggle with Kakai. Is one of the thing that you're one of the upgrade to them here. Farm mica furniture. Them here from me a boy and me a 50 a year old. And you know how much years now I see one of them here furniture here. You know how much years? Over some 40 years now I see one of them here. Never know say them are sitting here still in a house. And them here type of furniture you come and brag about to it look fancy. Yeah, Kakai, see the type of furniture them we have in your house that we can't disassemble. See it? It's a one whole furniture pull down and disassemble, you know. See that? That's your roadside for sure. People them tired of it. All backers board. See it? I see the pattern, yeah. When they just buy this, you just say yes, a top of the line furniture, backers board. See that? And I saw your settee you have. You can just screw down and pull down and piece. See there? Backers board furniture. Well, Kakai. How you a buy bed so dear and you can't pay your rent? How where you a go put the bed? How you a buy bed so dear and you can't pay your rent? Then where you a go put the bed? How you a buy bed so dear and you don't live nowhere? Then where you a go put the bed? Where you a go put the bed? Marcia, you need to get social media a break. Make we bloggers out here where make money off of your dead for younger for even a week now, please. Please, Marcia, can you just give social media a break? The people them say them Clyde at you. But are you a trend? But them say them Clyde at you. Them say them Clyde at you, Marcia. So me I beg you please, make we where you feed. Make we bills run up on we, Marcia. Make we rent run up on we too now. You know want company, Marcia, please. Just give social media a break now, please. Make me and Chain and Latest and the whole away. Yeah. Make we not have no bills to pay.
Yeah, make bills pile up pan way. Cause we not get no money from social media. Cause you never depend on social media for evening and week. Please me I beg your master. Give social media a rest. The people them say me fi ask you. Oh, you are buy bed so dear and you don't have nowhere to live. Live. Oh, you are buy bed so dear and you can't pay your rent. Then where you are go put the bed. Marcia, come out here boast about furniture, expensive furniture, you can't pay rent. And them the old furniture the old time days furniture they have in the house, Marcia. I just look at one them a little bit more modern than them there. You have in your house. It's the same like how you see that little dress or something they pull down, the brown one, the last one there. I see some Marcia pull down the sofa. Or them type of pull down sofa there. That's why I could have able to pull down and hold in our van. You understand? She can't go letter after roach and the people them place and I use that for excuse. But that's why she move. Marcia smart, Marcia broke and can't hardly find the rent. So when Marcia do, Marcia get this to work out with them offer the room available. So Marcia just know so she never have no much furniture. More than two little wall decor them when she put up on the sitting and she da sleep on the carpet. The same dirty carpet where she a talk about. Say dirty. Like you know what she say dirty all along and come and talk about roach it in the place from day one. Yo, same one we say the place roach free. Me hear all other people on them platform with it when you say that you may not keep them the history there. Cause if me did even dissect that the video, then me never know which part I find it. Cause when me deal to them, me figure to know. Me no carry on in my head. Me no carry on upon my head. Me no carry on in my heart. Me figure to know. Me done. Me no need to keep the history, but people keep it. Cause me hear it a play. When the same thing when me say in the video, say you come out and say the place roach free and you're glad. And a red carpet you walk on. But all of a sudden now, bangarang start. You say the place roach infested. And everybody know you as roach mumma. Give the place a break, man. Give social media a break, Marcia. Cause you wanna keep on embarrass yourself. Even when you come out on your platform in defense of your own self, you embarrass yourself. Because you tell some blatant lie that your own evidence is there to prove that you are telling lie. You say the place nice and you get your own place and you're shaky. You know, man, say your members you're shaky. And I call 360 for shaky too. Show your key, boy. Show your key, boy. So, oh no, that things happen and bangarang and go on. You know, you bring down the people them place. Remember, you know, when you laughed, you know, we couldn't have seen a wall, you know. We just want to see one piece of straight sitting and go up in the ear, so where the camera just goes so boom and pin pan it. Your phone that, you know, just boom, like on CCTV, because we can't see nothing else. Like, you know, the manager door that are there, so the chest there, so you make sure you put the camera direct there, so you don't want the camera move, because you want any movements go on there, so you see. So the camera used to stay up on the laugh, you know. We never used to see no curtain and no wall decor. So that only show you how proud you was when you get this little place. The people that might try to help you out of your misery because you can't get now if you rent by your own. Because Red Ink against your name, and we all know why Red Ink against your name. Your landlord always in a problem, eviction, all kind of things. So whoops, Red Ink. So nobody no willing to rent you away. So you have to sublease. Me lease the place, alright. Me lease it back. You understand? Sublease. And if you have a sublease a place, you're supposed to know say you now get no lease. Because a sublease, you sublease. And the person who are sublease it, them can't write your lease. Based on what I understand. And if them even go turn over the lease to you, it's very few place might grant you a lease. Because when them check your background, it not look good. Your background dark. Dark. Your file brighter than your background. Because when them take up your file upon a white paper right there, black writing and whole heap of red ink. Shung, 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 shung. So up to your file brighter than your background. It not look good. Speak my mind, people. Uno do. Like, share and subscribe to this channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend and hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support both of my channel. If you have not yet subscribed to Life is a Mission TV, go ahead and subscribe now. Tamika Douglas, in the comment section, YouTube channel, Life with Gabby and Chevy down there too. Give them a subscription. Jeanette, bless up yourself, yeah? Understand? Salaman? Yes. Them me received a little thing for buy the cake, cause tomorrow the cake sale, you know. We do not see that video, you today the cake sale, yes man. Life with Gabby and Chevy cake sale, you know. And as me tell you know, 2 little people reach out. So I'm gonna just put it together and put what I have and just call that the mountain give back, support the cake sale. You know, and take it and give back to some random people. And I might, as me say, might just give some people me know I support the channel from day one. This not gonna be like any giving back to the needy and not the greedy. This is going to like gratitude. Put it that way there. This give back for this mountain is like gratitude. You understand me? I look at some people me know subscribe to the channel from day one from scratch. As me say, me don't know if them still a support now because enough of them might not know what go on. Yes, so you know the diaspora, yeah? So they might not support. Me know them still support anyway because them support from grassroots plus some of them support to the Life is a Mission channel. So me I go give back to some of them subscriber there. So anyone of my subscriber will listen to that video on in the cut, you can just send me a DM. I don't know when the cake them are gonna deliver, most sometime in the day. So when them deliver, if them deliver on send me a DM before, me can, if you they close to me, can come drop off a 1 cake and a Malta. You understand? Yes man. But basically una my little surrounding where me know from there when I come with me. Me have about 15 cake I go give you. Yeah man. So big up on yourself. Anyway, people, I could get in a Marcia video because we don't come to stay long, you know, because I get cried a Marcia myself, you know. Watch it. I can't even drink a juice, because when I drink a juice, it make me more cried out the way I cried out. I fear drink water. Because Marcia move too grimy.
Don't take that for defeat. If you hear me attack low, I become me on my job. Don't take that for defeat. Wait until you see me in my car. So sometimes when you hear me people, when you hear then they on social media talk about say, oh me I talk slow. Yes, me I talk slow because I'm in my own elements. Where I'm going to shout. Let's shout probably their work.
She a listen me. Me know every video me drop Marcia listen. Some of them when she say all the thumbnail them she supposed to see that and laugh. I tell you. I tell you. See the boy I do me. I tell you. She's supposed to laugh when she sees about the thumbnail, but me know she watch me. And me she a throw out. And me alone, I tell her, I say, 2 videos me do, especially last one, I say, listen to her. Oh, the voice a come from down in the voice box. It now come from down in the belly root, yeah, so you know. Oh, she normally there. You want the pan top of her voice and the pan top of her game and yeah. She barely attack. So she come now, clear herself. I told she that the people them place. She have to take time attack. So if you wait till she in her van. I mean she a throw out man. She a listen me man. All hear them talk about them now watch them lie. Yeah, the aga eat. Mumma ag, hear her.
You say what into darkness must comes into light.
That you fi know.
Me see all I want a blogger runway. I talk about say Marcia was evicted again. Me say you see when phone trials and tribulation coming out in life, when people ready to feel, you know, we not get more than eviction. Because you know in yourself because you know hate me like a poison. You trying to feel like you can't insult me. You can't insult me.
But Marcia, nobody not really hate you. Honestly, nobody not hate you, Marcia. I look at dirty ways you have, man. You have to behave yourself and calm and respect your age. And tell yourself so you know so you reach grandmother stage, you know. It's not like you're just mommy no more, you know, you're grandmother, you know. You understand? And you behave out here on social media. For somebody who say you have so much talent, this shouldn't be the way for you to attract views. This shouldn't be the way for you to attract viewers. You understand what I say to you? You behave in a very, sometimes I wonder if you listen to yourself sometimes. You're very disrespectful. Me know say sometimes people no come out and, alright. It's just like the same little one that we then call Derek Fargan. Everywhere him go, you see people run him down with phone. Why you think them do that? Marcia, look into it now. Why you think everywhere Derek Morgan go, them run him down with phone? Because them know the reaction of them are going to get from him, and that is what them want. Them know him are going to take out film phone and dirty boy, and them are going to start style them as what them say him is. Because him figure more or less the people are going to look at it and say, oh, so Derek Morgan knows say him a that. Him and Derek Morgan a buck up. Him and Derek Morgan a do things where, but people used to what Derek Morgan a go do. So what him a go say no matter to people, them just want to fatigue him. So as them seeing them draw them phone and them start video, them call them know him reaction. Are you that know? Yeah, they on social media. Yes, sometimes the people them come and them, catch you put yourself out there as a clown. So when the people them come out and come for your platform, them just clown you out. Because you already did a clown out yourself and make yourself a clown, So them just play the same game with you. You understand? Them not take you from a clown to a joker. Because you come a clown out yourself. You understand? You identify yourself as a clown. So why them gonna come and say he's a joker? He's a clown. Clown different from joker. So you just understand, say, when the people them come at you like that, man, come on. Stop react the way you react, man. And this whole up a suck and lollipop. It not sound good, it not look good. Next thing the people them come, them there over there, some of them support you because them like some ways of you or whatsoever. And if something go wrong, the people them can't comment you want black them. The people them can't say them opinion you black them. If the people them buy something from you and them not satisfied with something and them say XYZ, you have a problem. You can't do business, so. You understand? You cannot do business, so. You have to learn to accept a customer opinion. Me not go say if you make customer make you stoop to them. Because them was saying if you say customer always right. Me not believe that. You understand? When you're right, but not always right. Because some customer figure more and less say, true them a support you, them fi deal with you anyhow. And if them work in an establishment, them fi deal with the workers anyhow, because them a say them a spend them money and the boss are gonna respect them more than the workers. So them come in there with all kind of attitude, all kind of problem from them yard, and them come and simple little things might happen and them start going away because them want supervisor and boss to come out to hear what taking place, and then now you hear say he or she get fired because you were disrespecting the customer. Because them have it say customer come first, a customer make them business can't operate. No one saw it come on. When you're right, when me come and me hear it go, if you're right, you're right. If you're wrong, you're wrong. No always have the right. What kind of always have the right? So you give customer the privilege to come disrespect your staff for no reason, because them are gonna figure more or less, okay, the boss just say customer always right. So this for me I say, Marcia, sometimes your customer them, whether them a customer or a one-time shopper or what, and them deal with the thing better than that. But you can't deal with people, so Marcia, I expect some people are gonna respect you. You understand? And look upon it, everybody try to reach out to you and help you. You and them always a fallout. So we want them to say all of these people where you say are your acquaintance reach out to you and help you. All of them I pretend to be a friend of yours, or you is just the problem. So probably if the Aruba girl never pass, probably sooner or later she would be the next person and you praise her so much. Because if everybody where you and them associate and them do things here, autumn, winter, summer, well, you say the worst never do nothing for you, the worst not do nothing for you, I don't know. You know? And this woman you know with the house, you see a position where you're in and I reach out to you. People are saying that, okay, she have the lease, people are speculating. Say them have the lease, but probably she move out of the house. You understand? And gonna live with her people, them or her fiancé, whatsoever. But she don't want have to pay the lease if she walk out pan the lease before the date. So what she do, she try to force you into it so you can end up pay the lease. But you know, this is a sad mistake that Kaya always have a rent problem. And she's supposed to know that. You understand? But whatever way it go, as me as a man say, you have to start respect yourself, man.
So me on a desperate, I on illiterate. I on is nothing but a mongrel dog searching for food on YouTube. Me a mongrel dog searching for food.
You're searching because you say you have to make your money too. And you no matter content for content. So on a chat, so me chat. So me on a chat, me chat. So on a chat me, so me chat you know. If I suffer make the money, me know now. Me find out now. And me see ads I run for my channel now. Way. And me notice me I get be a green here now. And to you find out say you cost certain cloth. And yes, they say these cloth that you're cussing is not against the guideline of YouTube. So why do you mean you come out and you ball out? Yes man, me a cuss man and me still a say me a get green man, so me a get money. Me no matter if a 2 cents, $2, $3, me a get money cause my video them a go green. You understand? So you's out here searching for food. You write on Facebook, you know. Facebook was your darling. Even in a back in the last year when you come on YouTube and you realize a whole heap of restriction over here. You say you're not stay here, you don't like over here. And you run go back over so, but you did run come over for money same way. But your behavior, YouTube not gonna tolerate it. But you kind of tone down and then you realize a certain bad words where you use is not against the guideline because YouTube not have it as curse word. You understand? Certain bad words you would have called bad word, some of them YouTube don't have them as curse word. And till you realize so you get greed in doing that, you continue to do it. And boasting about the $2 and $5 where you're earning no matter you have to earn. So you're searching food over here, Thomas. Yeah. I must say that's why you want to stay so relevant and trending because you want a fact check come this mountain.
Eagle. And as long as I live, I will fly above all I know. So when you know the truth and I run with on a page I type up.
Man, I say you're not an eagle. You have one sitting there. Look like eagle, you know. You know the Jamaican eagle and people? Them say no eagle in that Jamaica, but we have Jamaican eagle. They look alike of the American eagle. The J something there. You can't be eagle, Marcia. And you can't fly past certain altitude. You know which part you there? I go on you there, you know. Alright, I go on you there. Look on the thumbnail and look which part you there. Every day you get up on your cuss gully side. I tell you, say, you know, when you say gully side, me I go come out for you, because a gully side me live pan. So on a 99 alone live pan gully side. So when you say gully side, you call me name. Look out for me answer you. You understand what I say to you? But look which part you then. When you look on the thumbnail, I in the gully you then, not on the gully side. Peer rats around you. Peer rat. So you have to understand yourself when you talk, Marcia.
Can't bring me down.
Boy, you're eagle. You're not eagle, man. Must see the Jamaican eagle.
Hold on, people.
I want to know what is the Jamaican eagle. She go check on her patient, bruh, and ask him if he's good. Because I put the phone on my ears and listen to the whispering. Our patient, she go check on.
Sound like one bunch of illiterate Negroes.
Wow.
Running away with store if you get YouTube money. You can't see so on the last on a soul.
Illiterate.
When I know the truth, I want to sit down and listen to my truth. But yet the debate type upon on the page, but she was evicted again. Me not ask you know. Me, Marcia Campbell, as much as you know they are guani. Me, none of you know better than me. None of you now live the life like me.
What?
And none of you know we are chat no happier than me.
Marcia, if you happy, me no want to see somebody who is sad. If you happy, me no want somebody who is uncomfortable. Me see you there party pan live. I dance. Right now she there party. Right now me I do this video. She there party. What time is it? 12 minutes to 3. Because I come and I tired and I sleep and wake and get up back. And there and say, alright, I'm going to do one video. Because I fuel errands around the morning. And as I say, I feel obligated to make sure I'm going to something for watch. Because I look out for it. And somehow know the timing of me dropping video sometimes. Certain time pass me soon drop in at the DM. You not post nothing yet. What happened to you? You're sick? What? Yeah. Big up on yourself and I reach out, you know? So, me get up and say me I do the video tonight. Because if I don't do it tonight, now I go to do it probably down in the evening before I get a video. In the 2-3 o'clock when me cool off, me have to go come see what I go on social media and go. So me obligated for going to something. And that's what I want to make me obligated for going to something over life is a mission channel. You understand? So Marcia, if you happy, me don't want to see somebody where unhappy and sad.
Sad and stressed out. Me not stressed out.
Put on your pretty face, yes. You have to put on your pretty face.
When me make a decision that was for me I get blame. Me no business what none of you want to say. I know the truth. The girl know the truth. You understand? Nobody can come put me down on social media because I don't know none of you bumbo clot. Me no know who know. I never met none of you in my life. The only few of whom I met on social media.
Cora never met you.
The woman I yard, and who else? Girly, and who else? Jazan, and who else me met? And the man of England, out of the blacking world. And who else again? Who else I met again? Who else I met again? Me no know, no.
Shelly and Fraser Price no know you. You never met her. Cora, you never met her. Who again? There is so much people when you try bring down whatever them do, they never meet you.
Me and him now left until they do me something.
Wow.
And me do him something. So we no could have blog until tomorrow morning. Who must know what I do for me and what I do for me. The whole world can see him always around me.
So that's not
me not see no man around who no.
If I that alone are your one.
And a man can't dig out my hole. Because him work 5 days a week, so the man can't dig out my hole. No for who not get dig out hole every night and not get nothing. Who not dig out hole all 20, 30 years and a man can't put the ring on the finger. And 1 year I had me any matter.
A 1 year audience, somebody attack Marcia. So you did have 3 men at one time, Marcia. You didn't attack 1 year and that me you did have 3 men at one time. Because I remember Mr. Foot and Mr. Foot this, you know. And Mr. Hand this. I remember the man used to take it back door them claim to say him must see the gardener or the place him upkeep the place. So a 3 man did take one time. Because if you and this a man had 1 year hard now, you did have 3 man a plow your land. I not dig them did a dig out your land. A plow them did a plow for your land. Pickaxe straight. And oh.
Out of the 1 year I had in there with me all the time, around me.
Hey, she lying, you know. Out of the 1 year I had shit in there around you every time. And I recently, probably for the past 2.5 months, this man you there around you day in, day out. Oh, you so lie, Marcia. This is what me I tell you. You come and you tell some blatant lie. This man you are the first you see a man round you. Not even miss a foot. Every time we see a bare foot, we see a rub. You understand? And then the next, a 2 foot, you know. Because remember you have a dirty foot. Dirty foot where probably him and the man upkeep the place. And you have foot where she always say my massage. I want to have man for massage, you know. See me I get my foot rub on the lucky. See there? Yeah. So a 2 foot, dirty foot. And the man you only always the same foot when him a massage her. And none of them man never used to drive up and down. She never used to carry none of them man. So this man recently get the work then. Him recently get the work. Because if you have this man a 1 year and had, and him always around you, why you know when you not live nowhere? When you did live somewhere, you never carry him to work and from work. But now you not live nowhere. You understand? What you're supposed to stress. Oh, you're using for de-stress. Oh. probably at that. You're probably using for de-stress. But not no go so. He is a liar. For the past month or 2 months ago, 2.5 months, you have this man around you. PP, pluck. So stop telling lie about him always around you. With your liar self. Hey, you tell some dreadful lie, you know? You look into the people them here and just tell them lie.
The man is responsible for me. I'm responsible for myself. You don't worry about where I give me. Where I give me is enough.
All you get a
And
pickaxe.
none of a big front girl or batty boy can't step to me and come do nothing. He defend me. We can't tell you that.
Oh.
So look for the man they were defending and owning up. No for who no have man and the man not owning up. Them not going away with you know. You can't even get them to spend a day with you know, much less 2 days. And get 2 days off a week and the 2 days off a week and spend it with me.
So your man spend 2 days with you, one not a lie. Your man spend 2 days with you and get 2 days off. He work 5 days a week and get 2 days off. Because it's a Saturday, Sunday. And you need things to come out of house. You alone can't lift it up. You, me a quote you now, you know. You, me a quote from previous videos. You alone can't lift it up. And you're not paying nobody because you don't have no money to lift it up. And your friendly, not have no time to help you. But you still get 2 days off. So, I'm not concerned about you. Because you say, if you did have help to take out the things them, like your bed and your fridge and the big old table out of the rat-infested place, you would have carried them go down to storage if you did have help. But through your friendly have to work. So what happened to them 2 days? You couldn't arrange them 2 days if you do that. Alright. You said things that storage again for go spy you just where the woman run you from again. Where you recently got 3 weeks ago. And actually you don't have no time. Because you don't have no help yet. But yet still you say you spend 2 days with you. So if me know say Monday to Friday, me not have no time to do certain things. And it is possible to do Saturday and Sunday. What me I go do? People me ask you a question. If you have something to do, and you know it's not possible for you to do it Monday to Friday, come on, don't talk to me, no, man. I'm not afraid of myself. Don't chat to me, man. Talk loud to make sure you hear. And you know, say, you can't do it Monday to Friday because of time. Not allow you to do it. And it can do whether the Saturday or the Sunday, where you get those 2 days for yourself. Are you going to arrange on one of those days to do it? Yes or no? Answer me. Who answer me put up on the hand? Make master soon. I don't want to know whisper. I don't read no more master soon and I go up to the ear. I'm so afraid of master. Put up on the hand who agree with me. Don't you know going to agree or not agree, arrange for it to be done on either the Saturday or the Sunday because that's the only 2 days you have. Master, if you have to work 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, and your drawers them for wash, and you on a Saturday, Sunday, do you go and choose one of the days them to wash your drawers? Or are you going to use them as disposal? You're going to just wear them, throw them and buy a new one. So you're just going to buy the new one and put it on in afraid of east, west, north and south. Eh? You're not going to rinse them out none at all. And if you're going to rinse them out, the same if you wash your one them. And turn them up in the sun. Man say you lie, you know? You lie bad.
And he's there for me 24/7
Move
helping
you
me.
lie
Don't
and
know
say
him, I give it from him,
24/7 helping
Uno
you
see?
with lie and say.
It don't make sense
And you
to
see him
talk.
when I say the man
I
have no
don't care
time.
when I want to on social media. I make the decision. I move out of the apartment. Nobody no evict me. Stop, walk around and tell him.
You might move because you know what is coming. You might know what is coming because in a one video you see the attitude of the woman. So basically you might see it coming and you know want it goes publicly known where videos are there to prove that you get evicted in such a short time. You recently get one and in such a short time you get another one. Not to mention you just leave yourself. Not even a month good. And get evicted already. So what you do, you end up get the little work where you get there now. And as you say, come here, quote, you know. They said you don't have to be driving back and front when an empty room is here. So why you take that opportunity and just shoot and left before them put you out? Because an empty room have been given to you where you are working now. That's exactly what you're the master.
Lie. When I go suck on a mama.
Me do that all the time because of the best milk, like breast
Want
milk.
me make decision
I
in
don't
my
know if
life
I
to
hear
come out of
father you do.
apartment. All of a sudden, they on social media runway with false news. All someone when I acknowledge, you know, a action me I take. Action me I take when the time come. Me not even look past someone. You know.
Remember, you know, every time you wish bad for people, will reach you. So nobody feel like say you can come out here come do what you are plan to do. We all know what you have in your intention. And not feel like say other people have you to do the same thing. Or even the same persons what you want to do the same thing. Because on a week, you know, that's the only place you can run to. So you go do this and you go do that. Week on a week. You can't stand up on the battlefield, you know, on a helmet or on a bulletproof and deal with the WAR. You understand? And who fi lay, and who fi stay. And the route that you no want travel. But you have to remember, say, majority of we out here like myself, did I live before social media? As me say, me just 2 years old. And I was invited to this social media platform because friends around me know my capability and my ability. I say, me not have time for that. Me like, I make my money and. Me don't want to sit down and wait for a boy or a girl to give me my own. Me want to go out there and know say me have this, a case of this. And when me sell it to you, you give me my money. Or if me have it, me know say me have money. I just find the buyer to give it to get money. You understand? So I am living long before and I will be living long after. Marcia. You understand?
Because if you look past someone look retarded.
Like
Me
me,
not argue with retarded people.
like
You're
me.
slow. Just
Yes,
like
me
you
next
go like
stocky.
intelligent, but you're not slow.
6A. You know how long me no test, me no wait name there. Test me, measure my height. And why they me carry my daughter got a passport office. So don't know them always have something measurement to you put. And me get up and me say, right, you don't know how long me no measure my height cause the last time I measure I was like 5'8", 5 something, 5'8", 5'9". And when me go against it and me say, how tall me is? The girl says 6. Me say, what? 6 foot? She said, yeah, they ain't no grow. So, Marcia,
So I have the time for talk to people. Uno need to get us. Uno need to talk about me mad. Someone need to get psychological evaluation because someone never grew up good.
me retarded Marcia.
And someone have to struggle no way up in a life
Me
when me not
next
have to.
Tucky Marcia.
Me grew up very well and come America early and get good up life. Live in a residential neighborhood.
That's when people did a care for you, Marcia. You get good up life. But as soon as you go up on your own, you just have the same mentality. Same as when you reach a foreign free of cost. Reach there, people are look after you free of cost. You know, and this is the thing about that's why I say, no care what we have in life as parents. You see, with kids, I will not have a thinking and give them sometimes if we tell them no. Because of the free mentality when Marcia grow come see, you know, she feel like it is going to stay with it's supposed to stay with her all the day of her life. She must not get independent the older she get. You understand? This woman who adapt her might did love her so much, treat her well and stuff like that. You understand? And she just feel like say this is how it go. Marcia is a system American. Every day you come out here and talk about you're American. You is a system American. You live off of the system. Strong hearted woman like you with America for so long should not live off of the system or depending on the system. You should be all in your own, yes, and when you reach retirement age, whatever you offer to the system and you're due for get back, you get back. But you shouldn't be depending solely and surely on the system. And that makes you a system American. So when you go come out here with your black book and your blue book and shake it and go on with yourself and Ray, like how you did a shake key one day, you have your own apartment and now, where's the key? Where's the key now? You understand? Always remember when you shake that black book, don't say you're an American citizen. Say you're a American, you're a system American, not American citizen. Put the system first. You're a system American. You understand? Make it clear that the system will provide for you. Because you never make no will, you know. You never make no way. So all we are going to the system will provide for you.
You understand? So when someone can't chat to me, so I have to keep on grudge me for my childhood. Because I know me grow up good, well grown up and grow up good.
Your childhood spoil you. It's not good for when you go that. I just talk about people. We have to learn for tell our kids no. No care we have it for give them and them realize so we not tell them no and as them say, give me ice cream, give me cake, I want this. And you say, give me ice cream and them take the ice cream and dash to them want that again. Give me that juice there and them get and them dash it to it and them still ask for another one. And you give them. You spoil them, you brought them bad. And that is what happened to Marcia in her early days. And that's why she feel like we grudge her for her childhood days. But her childhood days, me could have never grudged she for her childhood days. Because her childhood days make her what she is now. You understand? Our childhood days is what makes she what she is now. Circumstances make you what you are. Yes, man. Free mentality for your young.
Has stuff in a storage, and me alone, what do I want to do? Take an apartment when me not like. What do I want to do? Take an apartment if I was told me going to get property.
But you take the apartment and brag about it. That you start put up your wall decor to show you how much you accept it. And you're bragging and bragging and bragging. So oh no, you don't like it.
Documentation and when I go there it's not happening. Where you want me to stay in there?
So are the documentation making you like the place? Sublease, as what them say, me don't know. Me understand what they mean sublease. Me lease the place. But me not stay at the place, so I sub it to you. Just like our problem with a rent. A 2-bedroom and one me want. Me is the older for the lease. So the man that come in was rent the next room from me to pay the half of the money. If him not pay it, the landlord can't sell nothing to him. You understand? She don't right for something to him and me respond to that. And if him step out tomorrow man, then me have to pay all of that. So I understand the sublease thing. But when me I say, when me get to understand, you cannot get a lease from the agent or whatsoever them say. So why you forcing the people them to give you a lease where them cannot give you? That's why you're gonna get a fraud one. Because you don't the people them for a lease. You claim to say them give something fraud, some fraud documentation which she forge and sign for your man. You understand me? I said to you, oh you know she can't sign for your man. There's a lot of people who in certain business care people, authorize them to sign for them whenever time they can't make to sign or whatsoever. Some things they have to co-sign, both of we have to sign. One sign signature can't work because the two of we have to agree. So the two of we signature have to there. You understand? But you find all these, excuse after days before all of this happened. You were there on your pumps and your pride talking about this place. Where you go do tweet to from where you not do tweet and Ray. Yo, you're dangerous. You living dangerously. Woman, you're too dangerous for me. You living dangerously. Woman, you're too dangerous for me.
Look at the car me move out. Look what happened on social media now. everything out. Because you run go tell people lie and tell people story and people come and fabricate story if you put me down. Yeah? Look at the decision that I make. I wasn't gonna stay there long. I was gonna stay there until March. And then I moved to New York City. That was the plan because I knew I was coming to New York City to work.
So why running down a lease? Why you running down a lease? Well, earlier on in our video, you say you want the lease because you want the lease to go and get discount and go right back to, you know, the free mentality. You want the lease to go and get discount and Wi-Fi and this and that and Taranat. Then after, you say you want the lease because she can invade your privacy anytime if you don't have a lease. You didn't know where you're going now. Me know you must did know where you're going now. You must did know say it's a sublease. And if you even forget a lease, it now go take 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. If there's a possibility for you to get a lease, I don't know. So you did must know where you're going now. So you gotta tell me say after 40 years in America you're so dunce to the system. The only thing you know about the system is to get FREE. That's all you know to get from the system, FREE, but you don't otherwise to the system. The only bright part of the system you know is to know how to get freeness there, freeness here and everywhere. But you don't know how the system run. Because you must know the system run. And you must know where they are going now. He's not a Jamaican, you know, that you're saying, he's an American. So you must know the American system. And if you don't know the system, there is ways and means to find out how the system operates. Just like when you go dig up which part you can go get a free card on there so if you get $100, or which part you can go get a card on there so where you can get and use $200 and take your time pay it back $5. Same way you can go dig up about the system if you never know about it. So me sure know you know how the system it work, you and I must talk. So not because the little Ray go on now, you go twist it and feel like say boy people are idiot. Because all the way you say, you did depend your pump and pride with this place when you get it. One amount of shaking, keys. 360, come show this now. Come shake key now, boy. Dirty boy, come shake key now. Dirty boy, we live in your car, come shake key now. That's how you did that go on, you know. So all of a sudden now, are the worst of the worst.
It never worked out. If I had, because the plan, the thing was March, the lease that she had, the lease is up in March.
Alright, so why you not
I was
stay till
gonna
the
stay
lease
there
up? Right.
until March, and
So
when
we
it
are
get
run
to
down
about
lease, sir.
November, December.
What's the
we
purpose
start
of you
look a
running
place.
down lease then? You have your intention. What is your purpose of
So
running
what
down
is the
lease?
difference if I move out? I am the one who moved out.
Because you know what
They
was coming
promised
at
to
you.
give me proper documentation. I have been getting the runaround for 2 weeks. Nowhere. Promises, and when it comes down to nitty-gritty, it not go work. We want me to stay in one place, knowing the thing with the pride when we have. I mean, know how how people stay can switch. And look what happened. Look at the decision that I have made to please myself. Look how me going to the place because Roach and me I get blamed for Roach.
You carry
ever
Roach
hear
in there.
Roach live 9 months? How me fi carry?
Alright. We are going to live to see you go somewhere else and have the same roach problem. You understand? We are going to live to see you go somewhere else and you have the same roach problem. Because you what? You have Mumma roach. You have people with them last name are roach, you know. But you know, gain your last name by pairing. You gain it by manufacturing the actual roach. So you have Mumma roach. So, me I go see if when you go other place and roach there, what you go say? Your friend say roach in New York. That your friend say me hear she say it. When last do you see a roach in New York? When last I couldn't when last see a roach around me and my surrounding. And from me I grew up until now them say New York have some of the biggest rat. Like where they run some of them fast food back building where the rubbish pan them there in a Jamaica. Yeah. Me them not call a name because me not too able. Me can't take a lawsuit. But some big old rat used to run up and down all a New Kingston, all down a Mandy for the way you see them and Maple all about. And up a Emancipation Park, Mandela Park, where some big old rat up there like man and woman. Then live up there like at their house and just come out with them food and go back in. Sometimes them all come out and the people them sit down and make love, them just come between them foot and say, aye, and then gone again. So me want to know now, when you move somewhere else and roach the way you go say. That me want to know, you know. Because if so be the case and everywhere you go infested, you're going to end up not live nowhere. Because you can't pay for the proper place where you really want to live. Because you don't have no money. And this is where me say, you waste your days. Because now you don't live anywhere. And you don't have anywhere where you bought or whatsoever couple years ago. You should have money that you could able to go live where you want to live and have your right lifestyle that you want to have. So all we are going to say, you waste out all your time America. But as me say, because you're a system American, that's all you want to be. You're not interested.
Roach gone away. When me left all of my things them at the place and roach in a storage in a cold place all winter. If anything did in agriculture and me bomb up that the place they enclose over a dozen can me using a place there. How roach is going to survive 9 months or 8
You're
months in a
frightened.
storage, closed down, bomb out every day.
So storage ear seal. The doors ear seal. Okay. Me never know say the door them ears. If the door them ear seal, well, you have a point. But me sure know them not ear seal. And all it need is one little egg. One little egg to get warm and hatch. And roach breed up. So me don't know what you say. Roach and chink, you know, are sitting there where love eat. And that's why you find them so much at jailhouse. Roach and chink.
Things them tie up in a plastic bag. Them the most suffocated. Where them going to get food and water from?
Crawl out, go look it and go
Where
back.
are
I
they
the
going to get
warm
food
and that's why
and
them
water
want
from?
stay.
Stupid.
Them want
blood-clot
warm
people?
place to stay.
Where are they going to get?
You feel like when them pit tile it there. You feel like when the roach them down there play music, or play some Bob Marley and some Dennis Brown. Instrument. You feel like down at the pit cold. Down there no cold. Down there warm. Hot. That's how roach feel comfortable in warm places. So what you talking about? Eh? You want to hear entire roach in all them corner play them Bob Marley and them Dennis Brown and Peter Touch instrument, you know. You know, hear the music. Warm place, not cold place.
Water from and food to eat. Roach survive on water and food.
Every living thing.
What you want me to do? You come at
Every
your life
living
me
thing.
carry it in there. Everybody knows that all the Hartford building them. That was the speculation that I gave her. Me said make sure say the place not have nothing. She said Marcy they don't have. Me go there, me see it. Me have pictures and video. Dead one. Two.
So why did you come on your platform and say this is not? You're glad you get yourself roach free. You know, can't come now, come cuss me about a roach. Because me there's someone over roach free. And you go there and you get videos and pictures of both live and unalive. You never said this before. You come and you brag and you say you're glad you get some, you know, you can't come cuss me now, you know, about no roach now, you know, because which part me there not one roach now there, you know. Oh, so when she did tell you, just work off of what she said and come on your platform and say it, until now you see it, and you still never talk, that you take pictures, your video, you still never talk, until now, when the bangarang start. I want to cut Jesus Christ slippers. When they at the front of the line, man, no, free him, free him, free him, no, put him, put him. But yet still, we don't say all of that. When him fi carry the cross, I wanna lift it up freely, not by force. Carry it come give him and say, carry that. I wanna not carry that, I wanna pass the nail. But he still on the point. Free him, free him, free him. Pretenders. We know, no.
Everyone before me carrying anything. But you not just want to come on social media, go put me down, go suck on the blood clot on this Sunday morning.
A Sunday morning, you don't go to church, you don't church for you don't worship. Can you believe a Sunday morning, for the past 4, 5, 6 Sunday morning, she a go to church, go jump up. And a brag out, she a go to church. Because it's come like she a go up on 99 to 99 now go to church, you see. You understand? At 99 turn her back on God. So she start go to church, so she turn her front on God. You understand me I say to you? And she not go this week because probably at the work duty. And before she worship God alive, she depend in a Sunday morning and tell people to suck lollipop and kiss her.
Over there tell false story. We're not listening to story good. But we're not ready to come twist up story. Leave my life alone. It's not phone or blood clot life, dirty people. It's not phone or life. All you not put me down, me look better than you know. All you not put me down, me have more money than you know.
Yeah, mirror
for
you.
Me have more clothes and boot and me have more assets than you know. Because none of you dirty blood clot have the money put away in a CD. I mean,
What kind of asset you have? The only thing you have, Marcia, are the whole rotten goods them where you have and all clothes them. When you take them up and put them on, then wash out, color run pan color, then full of roach this, rat that, them a tear. The only thing you have as asset are the piece of old value you have, and I don't tell you already. That not a resale value. If you even care that we go trade it, you can't get more than $50 feet. Not more than $50 if you even care that van the America go trade it. If you send it come to Jamaica, where you go pay for ship it come here, you them not get back half of that. So it even don't make no sense. And anybody you go take that from you out of Jamaica is a funeral home. For draw a casket. Are the only asset that you have, Marcia. What else you have as asset? You see me tell you, you just come out and come chat. You go say you have more money on way. You have more money on way. And you see when about well mouth cut cross you if you say anything. But the evidence are there that you don't have none. You understand? It's not just what you say you have and you don't have, or you have and you don't have. The evidence prove over a period of time say you don't have no money, Marcia. See there? What day you couldn't pay the rent, you say? Or your sister give you money. You understand what I say? Your sister give you money. So, Marcia.
none of you have no storage full with merchandise, and me have.
Non-value merchandise.
You think say me couldn't buy a house? We could have buy a house long time. then where is the money to maintain it? When me I go to carry tenant come in a house, come give me trouble.
Tired of your bullshit, man.
From your son, from your son.
Tired of your foolish talk.
Insurance policy I may have. Who do you think I'm talking to? Me free. Me do what?
Life insurance policy. Jamaicans, let's talk. Especially Jamaican bloggers, let's talk. Life insurance policy. Isn't that something that insurance company run down people to take? Come at your yard, all kind of man, cause you don't know, you have them people that go around and sell it. You know, if you go to an insurance company for that, you know, you either help in a car and sit down and you just people just pull up on you or a walk or a drive. And I give you a issue with life insurance policy. You choose which one you want, how much you can pay a month time. So you go on like a sitting where a special people can get, and you have to have money to get it. So when you come out here brag about life insurance, enter you go home, enter your honor life, Make sure you carry the money with you if you spend it. I don't know what that you come about. Make sure you carry the life insurance money where you a chore, or each share I put together and put it in our housing something where you could have get to a house. So you can't stop push on like hand cards right now. I show the life insurance you put take out. So you are prepared for when you're unalive. So you're not prepared for when you're alive. Unalive, you're prepared for. You're so foolish, yes. You are prepared for when you're unalive. You're not prepared for when you're alive. Because should have one housing scheme, some form of housing insurance business, you know, you should have a chore. Like where that chore housing trust of Jamaica and then something there where you could have a house. You are prepared for when you're unalive, not when you're alive. You're fool, sir.
If I want to do. That's why some will not have no relationship because all you know do is sell on the pussy. That's why you not have no man.
And that's why you don't have nothing. Because you give away your one free. You give away your one for love. So how you buy soap? You go in your pocket and buy soap at all times?
Whatever happen, if you go until next year, go. And if it stop, it stop. No contract, it won't have. Every day when you get up and talk about man, I do this, man, I give you nothing. Oh, you know him, I give me. Him, I give you nothing. Someone in a house right now and a man, Regina. You can't do nothing because if man no pay on the bills, you can't move. If man no tell us you can't go road, you can't go.
But man not pay your bills and you're in a debt. You understand? But man I take them knife and cut out your chocho miggle. You know the seedy part of the chocho? You have to cut out. Can't eat. When you cut the chocho, you have to cut out a part of the seed. So the man have film knife just a cut for your chocho when they're ready. Cut for your chocho. Man say tonight, you know. No man, me tired man. You don't really want that, you know, man. I'm tired man. Me lift up the box them and my back hurt me, man. You don't really want that. None of that tonight, man. None of that tonight. Man want use him knife cut out your chocho. So every time the man cut out your chocho, all it is wake up and belch frat. Him can't even go buy you one good breakfast. Because you not look for him buying a good breakfast because it's just love make him cut out your chocho. Just love. Love, love, love. So why you don't take the love and go look somewhere rent? One of them upscale community the way you want to go live where you can't find the money. Just go there and tell him, say, I love my man. I love my man. I love him. I am in love. I'm love. My man love me. I'm in love. And see if it work. You fool, you. But woman I sell them whatsoever. I better you dare sell it. At least if you're smart, you could have store something from it.
Some woman knows right now can't even bathe until no man come to wash in the front. Because they have to come home to come smell it first to make sure say you not there with nobody. You can't go away with no friend. You're a free woman. Move yourself from yourself and get over it.
So because he's a free woman, that not allow the man to give you money? Or because you want to be a free woman, you don't want to take no money from him. You just want to take you don't want to take no money, you just want to take You understand? Because if he might give you money, probably know him going to restrict you because he might give you money. Hey, you're really fool, you know? You're past fool. You're past fool.
It's not about getting a place from a leasing office. I was getting a place. Me tell her say I was going to real estate. The girl was like somebody who seems to be nice. And she reached out to me and tell me. When she had reached out to me and tell me, remember me read the text message where she sent me, Marcy, I heard about a place, a 1-bedroom. If you're interested, let me know. Me call her back and me said, me start talking to her. She was convincing and said, okay then, come. Meet me. Me go and meet her. Me say, okay, me not really like it. She said, take me, say, no, 1-bedroom. Take it, make me soon leave from which part me there. So if anything you can rent there, you can get that one. Tell the super figure. Remember, I know, all this story going on. When I had the issues, I let her know what is going on in the apartment that I see sign of roach. She even was trying to get an apartment over her building to switch it.
Father God, help Marcia.
So a lot of things is not
Marcia need help people. But her father God alone can't help her. Because me who not offer no help.
So when she come and talk about her people that say me carry roach in there. She knew about it.
Too much people
And
offer
they
her
was
help
trying to switch me
and she
over
turn
to
on by the
another
hands that feed
complex.
her.
Remember, so
Cause
the
she not
office
get
know
her
about me,
way.
you know.
Once she not get
And the
fair
lights
way,
are
she
not
no
no
matter
lie. The
how much
office
you help
knows
her.
about me. The office is the one that come and put up my curtain them for me. The curtain.
Once Marcia not get fair way, she no matter how much you help her. If you Marcia want go down the road and you carry her halfway and left her, just because you not carry her the next half, she bite the hands that feed her. So Marcia stay. And Marcia a long time, me I tell you, say most of these people say them a follower and your supporter and them cheer you on a night time and daytime and go on with themselves. Me tell you already. Them just a clown you out. Cause this a person I mean, so one of your stalwart. She was one of them who up front of your gala. How true it is, me don't know. I want me hear. You understand? I see it.
Rather. The officer the one will come and put up the clean the carpet and do everything. The people them know. The people them have roach in there because if they never have roach, they want to carry supply can give me.
What kind of supply? Anyway, you are rent. I the norm for people. If me move out of a place, landlord come inspect it because while I got side up and she don't want the next tenant come and find a fault and something I don't want the next tenant. So I'm gonna come with him little paint and I'm gonna touch out back the place. I'm gonna touch out back on any little place if it sort out, I'm gonna sort it out. So I'm not going like say a roach people them know saying at the place why them carry roach. A roach powder them carry come give you. A bacon them carry come give you. A bomb them carry come give you as what you say. With your liar self.
Let them see it for themselves. The day when he come, the man see the roach coming through the bathroom, something. And him, I say, go and get the potty and potty up it. And fill in the little space then between the
Then
bathroom.
that not about 2-3 days after you carrying the settee, man.
So me never like it. I said to her, I said, me don't like the carpet. She said, it's going to take a while because we have carpet too, but they're going by seniority. The longer you live in the building, they're going to change it up. A lot of people are getting their stuff changed out from carpet to wood floor. Because, come on, what is the big deal? Eh? So if you never know that, why they were trying to change me? And then when you call up from a super, you them say it's rented already. You knew I was not going to stay. For your sister, me I bother you every day. Where is the documentation? Where is the documentation?
You know you never stay. Why you bad for documentation? Is it because you say you want it to go get freeness? I don't know. Speak my mind, people. Thanks for watching. Come to the end of another video. Bless upon yourself. Keep safe. Do the do. Like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads. Continue to support both of my channels. In the comment section, you have Life with Gabby and Chevy. Remember, 2 days left. You give them a 10 subscription and I don't see it move yet from last week, Wednesday. And Tamika Douglas. Do they do? If you're not subscribe to them channel yet, go ahead and subscribe now. And remember the cash up pin in the comment section. And remember, when you see this video morning, the cake sale is on. Life with Gabby and Chevy cake sale. You still can reach out. Yes, man. Whether to me or them must can find time to go pick up the money, or whether Western Union, MoneyGram, if I have 1 or 2 cake you can buy and support. Support the youth. You understand? Yeah. 2 young girls I try live up and try to reach somewhere and have something, and not reaching at the age of Marcy and not have nothing. Bless upon yourself. Happy Monday. Peace out. Until you see your boy speak my mind again. I'm out.